Good morning, Ken here, and I hope you're having the start of a great day. I am. I have my happy shirt on, and I'm here to tell you give you the instructions on the two handheld GoPro kits that we have. So we have like 70 different kits right now. We have a number of them that are GoPro related and a whole lot of others. So check out our site. If you feel we should carry a kit for something else, please let us know. We're always happy to hear everybody's thoughts and suggestions. So anyways, this kit here is the only one right now that we package. We assemble it here and package it already built. This is a handheld unit. We call this a pistol grip, and you can hold it this way with the light above and the GoPro below. You can hold it this way or even this way. If you have the newer GoPro, as you rotate, it flips the screen to the right orientation all the time. You don't have to do anything. It's all automatic. It works out really cool. So, okay, so that's one kit. The next kit would be this one. It's another handheld, but it's all above the hand, and this is how the individual parts would be. These will come in a larger bag like this, with a larger card across the top and the part number on that. The pieces in this kit are right here, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. It's pretty simple. So once you open everything up and you have all the parts sitting there, what you're going to do is you're going to take this acorn nut off the handle. Right here where this tripod mount is, there's a threaded hole. You're going to put the handle right there, spin it around, give it a little tight, take the acorn nut, tighten that down. Then the BAHB ball you'll take. If the nut and washer fall off in the bag, make sure you have the washer here, and then slide it together. And there's a threaded hole at the other end of this tray here. You're just going to tighten that down, place your GoPro in. We do not supply the bolt that goes here. And then you can take the clamp. I like to do it like that. It works easy. That would go here with whatever light you have on there. If you're using it for diving, because this could be used quite a few other ways. If you're going to use it for diving, you could also add a lanyard to it. This big split ring can go right here, and that way you can attach it to yourself and not be worried. But this works out really cool. You can hold it, you can move the light around, get it away. I know a couple boat cleaners that use these for underwater to record what they're doing. My grandson is one of them, and it's a great tool, and this is pretty much indestructible, so you don't have to worry about that. So the other thing too is this instructional card will come in the package. Basically, it just shows you the QR code or the link to go to our YouTube channel, find the playlist for instructions, type in the part number, and you'll find the video, which is what we're doing today. Other than that, have a great day and happy videoing.